Hello, Gladful people, a very happy new year. Just like every year, we all make promises to eat healthy but fail miserably. So, today with Gladful, we are starting a 31-day no bread breakfast series. Starting with my favorite breakfast option, which is both a protein powerhouse and a delightful burst of flavor. And today we have green peas tawa bhaji. I am using Carrot Chilla mix from Gladful, which is made of sprouted lobia, sprouted amaranth, besan, and carrot. I mean, how else can you include all these healthy ingredients in your diet in one go? All you have to do is dry mix green peas, julienne potatoes, chopped green chilies to some chilla mix, along with fresh coriander to enhance the flavor. Adding water little at a time to form a bhaji batter. Now heat up your tawa and brush some olive oil before placing handful of bhaji batter to desired size. Cook till the edges turn golden. I like to sprinkle sesame seeds before flipping. I've used about 2 teaspoons of oil to cook these, and you can sneak in as many veggies you like. It turns out just perfect. Pair with your choice of chutney or sauce, serve hot and enjoy.